Wait a second. What on earth is that?
That's right. Coming for you.
Gads! It's that wretched Tennyson. Aristocro, you've led him straight to me. What do you have to say for yourself? How dare you! Come back here this instant! You useless sack of feathers! I don't need your help anyway. I'll take care of Tennyson and his infernal modern technology myself.
I've never seen readings like this.
What do these squiggles mean?
They're saying that the seismic activity is strangely regular and systematic.
So clearly not natural forces.
And what's worse, there's some kind of pressure building up below ground. It would normally escape through the geyser, but something's stopping it.
Something like that could set off the supervolcano. The entire country could be wiped out. We have to warn Ben. He's probably at the geyser by now.
Incoming!
Ben, what happened? That happened.
What in the world?
Now, what do we have here? A whole nest of Tennysons! My steam smasher can eliminate 3 birds with 1 stone.
Ah! Tie back in! Tie back in!
Look out! 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm hilarious.
You're also out of time. Get it? Out of time.
You may have caught a punch, but let's see if those 2 can.
Gotcha. Everybody good?
Yeah.
This is all Steve Smythe's fault.
Whoever's to blame, you shouldn't mess with nature.
If my earlier calculations are correct, these quakes could destroy not only the park, but take out the entire western power grid as well.
No more nature?
No more video games.
We can't let that happen.
Smythe's big bot is mopping the floor with me. How am I supposed to beat him?
You can't mess with nature, but you can team up with it. If you can get Smythe stuck in the mud pots, it'll give Grandpa and I enough time to disable his steam generator. But how do we get him to the mud pots? Aristocro's back.
Here to spy on us again? Huh? Whoa.
I think Team Tennyson just got a new mascot.
What in tarnation? Aristocro, where have you been? And where is your beautiful anti-cat Sprocket? I found that Sprocket when I was just a lad. Does history mean nothing to you? I don't know what's gotten into you today, bird, but I'll forgive your momentary lapse in judgment. Return to me, and we'll go back to my Smytherator together. What? Mud? Is this some kind of joke, Aristocro?
Good birdie.
What are you doing with Tennyson?
Oh, you know, just chilling with his new best bud.
You traitorous fowl!
There it is! We just have to find the off switch. Easy, right?
I raised you since you were just an egg cog, Aristocro! And this is how you repay me?